Alright, what's up guys? Today, it's Friday. I took today off because today is my birthday. And also it's the first snowfall of the year, so that's great. I think we're gonna go actually try to look at some cars today. I'm not fully sure, but I thought I'll bring you guys along with me for the ride. I just wanna check out some stuff, see what we can find. And then after that, no idea what we're gonna do after that. But yeah, so let me bring you guys along with me for the ride today and we can just figure things out as we go. So let's do it. First dealership.
You don't like it, right?
I mean, I wouldn't buy it, but for sure.
So why are we looking at them? Where are we going?
Just down here to the used lot. It's a Focus. Ford. Nothing. A 4Runner. Oh, I'm gonna take a peek at this bad boy. Wow, how much is this guy? I'm just curious.
Okay, I'll be really upset if you.
Look at it, has a little light bar on it.
I'll be really upset.
Really?
If I really want one. You'd have to let me drive it.
Dealer warranty. What, is this open? No.
It's white.
It's a white one.
You said you only like white and black colors.
Wow.
Which is racist.
Huh. I literally didn't think about 4Runners. Huh. I'm gonna put that on my list of considerations.
Really, babe?
Yeah, actually.
I told you I wanted a 4Runner forever.
Really?
I never thought to think about it.
It's just like the FJ Crew. I mean, it's, you know, it's not. It's
much
not,
nicer
but
looking.
it's in the same vein. They have a Genesis. They have a Genesis coupe.
Back.
What?
Back.
This?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's one of their other Hyundais. The G37.
Yeah, you should get a CRV.
No. Who am I, some little kid? Yeah, these are like 20 or something. My thing is though, look, they're like really cool. They're manual, they're all-wheel drive, and they're sports cars, but it's a sedan. But I don't like the interior. Like, just being honest, they just, I don't know. It's just something about them. They just don't tickle my fancy.
Wow, you're probably the only person ever. What's that?
What? The black car?
Yeah.
It's a Genesis coupe.
So you want that?
No.
Well, I've heard you say it, so I feel like you want it.
No.
This is a little girl car.
They're okay. I mean, here's my thing though. You get a lot for what you pay for with these cars. Like they're actually like really nice. But it's because they're Hyundais. Like, it's like how the Veloster was. Like, you got a lot of features. They just don't cost that much because it's a Hyundai. That's really it. It's not really my thing.
What about that Infinity?
No. Not really. I want to go to a Northtown. I don't know where the actual parking lot is though. Oh, see, they're just like driving. Can I just like? I think I can park right over here.
Park with these cars. These have license plates, so they have to belong somewhere.
Yeah. I'll park right up there. These are all crap. Probably. Let's just see. Well, they do have some CX-5s here. Huh? I said they do have a crap ton of CX-5s. Yeah, I mean they are, but wait, look at this. So this is just a normal Grand Cherokee.
Okay, so why are we looking?
What year is this one? What year? So this is a 13? No. I mean, but babe, look at this interior though. I wouldn't.
Not giving this.
Nah.
So let's move on.
What? A CX-5. I do like the back. I like how it's a dual exhaust. It's a red one too. You like the white? This one's 20. I wouldn't get that. I do like I really like this body style of the Grand Cherokee. I wouldn't get it, but I'm saying I like this body style. I think this one, it looks better than the new ones. What year even is this? This is a 14. The interior looks, I don't like that, but it's kind of cool. I like that the back windows, they like roll down.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's kind of cool. Huh. 4Runner. That's... Alright. That's on the list. I'll just keep that as a mental note. Another WRX, and there's another one right there. I don't know. I feel like I should really like it, but I just don't. Like, it's just not.
Well, aren't they like ridiculously expensive for what they are?
No. I mean, that's the thing. Like, they're not really that crazy expensive. I mean, if you don't have a job, then yeah, but if you do, not really. Let me just see how this one looks, the interior. I just don't like the interior. This back quad tip looks pretty cool. It's not bad. It's just not really what I'm looking for. They do have a... I don't like that. Oh, it comes with... Oh, this comes with new tires? These tires bought. This comes with actual other tires. Huh. It's a wagon, actually. And this actually comes with straight up other tires in there. Huh. Yeah, wait, babe, there's a wagon here.
You don't like that.
I do.
6'3", babe.
I like the wagon. All right, we just got done looking at this one dealership. Well, we went to two. They're all part of the same chain. I didn't really see anything that was really popping out at me. Besides for, I never thought about a WRX wagon, but we will see as we keep looking. I only like, oh, this is a Nismo.
I don't know what that means. What is special about it?
Is this the all-wheel drive? Or
The red X.
it has the red accents. Is this the all-wheel drive one? Huh. Let's see. No, it's not. It's the 1 point still force. Turbo trans. Awesome. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's a Nismo, but it's not like the super special one. I mean, wait, but babe, just come here for a second. Look at, I mean, you got it. Huh?
This is literally half my height. And I'm half your height.
Babe, but just look, I mean, look at the front of it though. You gotta admit though, it does look cool. They're just
It
slow.
looks like a fuckboy car.
They're just
like a little kid.
They're just, I know.
You're a
It's
28-year-old man.
wow. This, I mean, this is really good. It's an auto though. Let me I wanna get in it. I wanna get in here and just kind of feel it out for a second. Wow. This, not gonna lie, this interior feels kind of cool. Wow, these are not even back seats at all. This is the auto though. It's just, this feels a little too boy racer for me. I'm a little bit past this stage. Yeah, I'm a little bit past this stage. I really like these seats though, I'm not gonna lie. The FRS, these seats feel so cool, but this is an auto. For this, you would have to get a manual, but it's not bad. This is okay. This is okay. I like this kind of steering wheel though. It has the paddle shifters. It's just, I don't know. We'll keep looking. And a Camaro. Alright, so what's up guys? So we just got done looking at a couple of different vehicles, and safe to say nothing really stood out. I kind of wanted to go and just look around, see what was for sale. The one thing I did see that I was kind of interested in was I think it was a 13 WRX, the wagon. That one had a set of, I think it was summer tires. They were all in the back. And it had, I think it had a set of winter tires that was already on the vehicle. That looked kind of cool, but honestly, I mean, I feel like I should like the Subarus, but I just don't. It's something about them. I don't know. I don't really like them. They are cool cars. They're all-wheel drive, manual transmission. They're like sports cars that you can daily every day. But I didn't really like it, so that's not what I'm gonna go for. But it was cool at least to like look at some and just see. I don't know. They're kind of cool. That was the first day of looking at some stuff. I'm gonna look at some stuff a little bit more. But I really want to take my time, find something that's really what I really want. I do have a couple things in mind that I definitely know that I definitely want to look at and really spend more time doing a test drive and everything like that. I know I have my stuff that's in mind, but I wanted just kind of to see what else was out there. If there's anything that I didn't think about even considering. That's the reason why looking at some of the 4Runners, I was like, oh, these are kind of cool, but it's still not breaking my top contenders list. But yeah, so we'll do some more tests, drive some more, looking at some stuff, and we'll see what else I can find. But I'm going to end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Check out some of the other videos that I've done. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.